Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to use artifacts on Qwen. Whether you are storing, managing or sharing projects file, this guide will help you get started fast. First, log in into your Qwen account and head over to the artifacts section in your dashboard. This is where you can store and manage your project files. Now, to upload any artifacts, click on Upload Artifacts and hit Confirm. Your file will now be stored securely on your Qwen. You can also share artifacts with your team. Click on to the Share option, adjust permission and select the link. Now your team can collaborate effortlessly. And that's how you use artifacts on Qwen. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification for more quick tech tips. Have questions? Then drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.